Hi everyone, this is Lewis from Instyle Direct and Anium Interiors. Today we're going to go a little bit more in depth about one of our furniture packages, our diamond range. Hi everyone, this is Lewis from Instyle Direct and Anium Interiors. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to visit all of our social media sites. We post daily on our Instagram and Facebook pages of all the brand new projects we have installing this week. Our diamond range is structured the same as all of our furniture packages. You have three main inventories for a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom property. This can actually be tailored to your property. So if you have a 4-bedroom house or a studio, we can add or take away any inventory which isn't needed. Here are a few photos of some projects we finished this week using our diamond furniture pack.
Now, like the gold package, our diamond furniture package has 3 palettes: white diamond, chocolate diamond and champagne diamond.
So our interior designers stay ahead of the game by visiting conferences from all trades: architectural, interior design, refurb. They're in contact with all of the suppliers to stay ahead of the game when it comes down to trends and what's up and coming. They do this to make sure that our furniture packages are always up to date and ahead of the market. Now, if you're a landlord looking to get a diamond package for your buy-to-let property in London, I definitely recommend getting a linen pack to go with it and maybe a few scatter cushions. It would make the property feel much more homely, and that way there's no bare beds, and when a potential tenant comes into the property, they can definitely visualise themselves living there. If you wanted to touch and feel the difference between a gold and a diamond package, please visit one of our London showrooms, call the office, make an appointment, and one of our business development managers will meet you down there. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. It really helps us for their YouTube algorithm and helps more people see the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and inspiring content.